SurvivorX here, and today we're going to talk about a little bit something different. A while back I made a video of the portable saw. This right here is going to be your portable chainsaw. You can see the grooves in it, like so. I didn't have a great luck on the other one, so hopefully this right here works a whole lot better. And bear with me, because we in mating season with the frogs, so it's going to be a little loud on that, but I'm going to try to talk as loud as I can. So let's try this out. We'll see if it works better than the other one. And here we go. Okay, so we got this piece of wood right here. We're going to try to saw this. And we're going to give it a shot with this. See if it works a whole lot better than the other one I had. And cue the music. That's a big wowzer right there. Works good. I did not anticipate that, but hey, it works pretty good, man. Okay, so let's try this log here. This is the log that I've been cutting from the shady test on them. So I'm gonna do it with this now. Get caught. There we go. So twist it like so. Let's see what happens like this. It's gonna be a little harder. This is gonna be a little cedar tree, a little thicker. So let's see what happens. What a workout! I'll tell you, I ain't worked out this much in a long time.
Mon Dieu, les ramène en séjour vers toi. Que le pardon et la clémence, oh mon Dieu, les ramène vers toi. Mon Dieu, les ramène en séjour vers toi.
Yeah, baby. There we go. Woo. Took about 4.5 minutes. I did about a minute of catching my breath because I'm a little out of shape. But works good on that too. And woo, what a workout though. The overview of this right here, that it looks amazing. Now the only negative thing I could say about this is that it doesn't come with like a carrying case, anything like that to put it in. Because you don't want to just slide this in your pocket. You can have accidents on that blade. But other than that, sawing those two trees works very good. It didn't take as long as I thought it will. In fact, I didn't think it's going to work, but it did a great job. But if it came with a carrying case, this would be close as one of the better things I've tested in a while. Didn't take long in either trees. Other than that, great product. I will carry it, and there should be on that one.